Internet down? With Multi-WAN Backup, your gateway keeps running by switching between Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or cellular, so your devices stay connected no matter what. So, why does Multi-WAN Backup matter? Here's what it really helps you with. No more downtime. Your gateway automatically switches to the next available link. You don't have to juggle Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and cellular manually. WisGateOS 2 handles it for you. Even during outages, your devices stay connected and your work keeps moving. Here's what we'll cover in this tutorial. How to set up your WAN interfaces. Assign backup priorities. And understand how automatic switchover keeps your network running 24/7. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up WAN interfaces. Log into the Gateway Web UI and go to Network. Then 1. Here you'll see all WAN interfaces supported by your hardware, such as Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or cellular. Ethernet connects automatically when the cable is plugged in. Cellular usually connects automatically with a SIM card, though some providers may require APN, username, password, or SIM pin. The cellular option is available only on certain models. Wi-Fi can be configured by enabling the interface, selecting an SSID, and entering the password if required. Step 2. Set backup priorities. Once all WAN interfaces are configured, assign a priority order. Click Change Priority. Use the arrows to move interfaces up or down, then click Save. The gateway always uses the highest priority connection first. If that link goes down, it automatically switches to the next available one. Gateway always uses the top priority link. Other links remain on standby as backup. Step 3. How automatic switchover works. Multi-WAN Backup lets you set priorities, but how does the gateway know when to switch? The answer is a background health check. In each WAN interface's settings, you'll find the tracking option. Here, you can configure target IPs or even add your own custom IP set for more control. The gateway regularly pings these servers, and if the active link fails the checks, it automatically switches to the next available WAN in your priority list. This automatic switchover is called Auto Failover in WisGateOS 2. Troubleshooting. If the gateway switches too often, relax the detection interval or increase the retry count to avoid false triggers. If it never switches, confirm the backup link is properly configured and successfully connected to the internet. Recap and next steps. Configured multiple WAN interfaces. Assigned backup priorities. Learned how automatic switchover works. In the next video, we'll show you how to configure auto failover for automatic WAN switchover. Subscribe and watch our next WisGateOS 2 tutorial.